Happy New Year! This is another segment of Sewing with Slim where I'm going to show you how I made a fur skirt using this old curtain that I had in my dorm room when I was back in college. I laid the curtain down on my bed and I'm going to cut off the additional satin fabric hanging out past the fur. And you see it's just a little bit shorter than the fur's length. Sorry about the weird honey mustard yellow brownish stains. For the next step, I'm going to loosely measure the fabric around my body and use those pins that I just showed you at the beginning of this clip to mark out where I've measured it, and then I'm going to cut that in the next clip. Now that I've got it all pinned up, I'm going to cut the excess fabric, and then now I'm going to sew, but leave a space at the top. Don't sew there, just sew straight down from there. Okay, so now that that's sewn, sorry, little camera work is a little iffy, but I'll try to make it so you can see it. So I use brown thread. I just sewed a straight stitch straight down, and I left that side open because we're going to feed the elastic through where you see that opening. And so right here I'm just measuring the elastic around my waist, and you can make it as tight or loose as you want it to be. Mine is about medium tight. I could have made it tighter, but it was pretty decent, nothing too crazy. It was comfortable. So a quick way to feed the elastic through anything is to take whatever this tool is that a safety pin, yes, and stick it through one part of the elastic and then put it through the tunnel or whatever you needed to go through, pants, in my case the skirt, and then you're just gonna feed it through. It's much easier. I know how to do it both ways because you all know, like when you have drawstring like shorts or pants or a hoodie and the string gets stuck, so you gotta go in there and get it out any way you can. Anyway, when you're done, you're gonna hold on to that part, so just hold that tight. Alright, so the easiest way to do this is to just take and keep the elastic at the ends of the tunnels, both sides. I'm gonna try to show you, but I don't know if it's too clear in the video. Oh yeah, I mean, it's pretty obvious. Just keep them both on the ends, and you're just gonna sew you're gonna sew a straight stitch just straight down that area right there. I'm trying to show you right there. Just sew straight right there, and you don't have far to go. It's gonna be real quick. Okay, so I'm back. I've sewed it, and now we're gonna turn it inside out to reveal our skirt. At this point, well, I mean, stretch out the elastic, of course. Typically I would make sure that the silk or the satin part is decent, like if I was selling it, but because it's just for me, like you see how it's just, yeah. But anyway, it's just for me, so I'm like, it's no big deal. I'm not wearing it out in public, so it'll be fine. But other than that, yeah, we did it, Joe. That's all. I'm just trying it on, make sure everything's everything, and then I'm making sure that silk part is sticking in there and straighten it up because I want that seam straight down the butt crack. I'm not digging in my butt, bro, I swear. I'm just trying to make sure it's straight. I was just trying to move it, that's all. But yeah, that's the end, and stay tuned later for the other videos because I'm sad right now, so it took a lot out of me to make this one, so stay tuned for tomorrow.